Well, what sets them apart is they explain everything to you, step by step by step. And just because you're a senior citizen, they didn't take that into account. They just knew, I needed to know the explanation, and they were very thorough about it. From the pipes to the digging the hole, the equipment that was coming, everything was explained very thoroughly, which this day and age sometimes is hard to come by, no matter what you do. My name is Sondra, and I live in Lafayette, Indiana. I first heard about Peterman on a radio commercial, so I decided to, when I started having some issues, I thought, well, I'll give them a call so they can handle everything that I need. I was having issues with a pipe in the basement that led from the wash machine into the pipe where the water drains into. They called me an hour before they came, introduced themselves, very prompt, very polite, went down the basement, checked everything out. When they were here, they checked all the other pipes down the basement and found a couple of issues that got fixed also. Plus, got them to put a new toilet in for me in the process, a little taller one and one that's more efficient. So everything got taken care of at that time. The following week, I was at work and my son and daughter-in-law live here, and they had some problems at midnight with sewer backing up into the bathroom and into the washer. So they knew who to call, came out and got it fixed so to get us through the weekend, because that was a Friday night. So we would be okay through the weekend. They came back on a Monday morning and started digging the hole. In this neighborhood, it's an older neighborhood, they probably still had clay tiles, and they had broken into pieces. Came to me and told me what needed to be done, cost, the financing, got that all set up. I didn't have to worry about any of that. And then they were here with the equipment and started digging the hole. They explained everything step by step what they were doing. Gave my neighborhood something to keep her entertained in the meantime. They finished that, and they had to come back the next day to finish up and put the pipe in. Everything's working fine. The dirt is settling and no problems whatsoever. I can't say enough nice things about everybody that I have come in contact with. I just keep passing off what I've told my neighbors. If you got clay tiles, here's who you're going to call to come and get them fixed. It's just that it seems like they're an awesome company, and I can't say enough nice things about how I got treated as a person, about my home. People say, well, is that dirt pile going to go away? I said, eventually. I'm not in any hurry. It'll go away. It's just a very, very nice company.